is me Surya, and in today's video I'll be explaining you about the Google Authenticator setup. So first of all, to the folks who don't know what is Google Authenticator is actually an application which adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts by adding a second step of verification when you sign in. This means that in addition to your password, you'll need to also enter a code that is generated by the Google Authenticator app on your phone. This verification code can be generated by the Google Authenticator app on your phone even if you don't have a network or cellular connection. So this is the actual definition given to Google Authenticator by Google. So if I'm going to be more clear, and I am to explain what is Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator is actually an application, uh, which provides us with an additional layer of security codes, which is actually a time-based code. For example, by default, you'd get a code which expires every 30 seconds once. So, for example, for two-step authentication is your OTP authentication. Every time you folks, if you log into, let's say, Instagram, and you have turned on OTP authentication, that is two-factor authentication using your phone number. Every time you log in, an OTP would be sent to your phone. The Google Authenticator is the same as that, but instead of OTP, what you get is that you'd get a code which is actually automatically erased every 30 seconds once. So this is much more secure than your normal OTP SMS. As the normal OTP SMS actually stay valid for about 5 minutes, so it could be hacked by persons. So these things are few examples of that. Okay, so in this video I'll be explaining you right from the start, from the installation to setting up the account. So before moving on to the video, what I'd say, like to say is that if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can just go and click on subscribe button and the bell button near to it, and you can also leave a thumbs up button. If you like the video, and if you have any queries, or if you would like me to post any more videos, you could just post it in the comments about what technical stuffs you would like me to post videos. And for you folks, there are few additional videos which you may find interesting, such as how to have unlimited Gmail accounts, etc. I already post videos on those, and those videos links will be given in the description. And the first comment, I'll try to pin the comment, so you just go and check it out. And so far, guys, let's not waste any more time, and let's just move on to the video. Move on to the topic. Yeah. Okay, first of all, if you are going to go install Google Authenticator on your mobile device, in this video I'm using an Android device. So what you must do is that you must go to Google Play Store and search for Google Authenticator. If you search for Google Authenticator, you would get this application. This is the application, and once you are inside, you just need to go and install this application. This is from Google, so you guys could understand that this is a bit of a more secure thing. So this is the definition given to Google Authenticator by Google. It protects your online accounts from hijacking, etc., etc. So you just go and read it out if you need any more information. So I'll not waste any more time on this thing, and I'll just go and show you the setup process. The thing, this is the page which you would get when you install the application. The strongest security with Google Authenticator. Okay, simple setup using camera. Fine. A unique code used to sign in. Okay. Cloud syncing. Okay. So right now we're gonna click on get started. I am actually using Google Authenticator for all my available accounts, but for this video I have cloned my Google Authenticator using a cloning app, and I am once again from the first going to connect my Gmail account to the Google Authenticator for the setup example. So, but right now in this video, I'm gonna use Google Authenticator without an account. I'm not gonna sign in using my Google account. Okay, I'm gonna add a code. So you could add a code by use two steps. That is scanning a QR code uh, or entering a setup key. Or if you have an account, you just import those accounts. So as I told, in order to demonstrate, I'll just go to my Google page. This is my Google account. You could visit or reach this page by the easiest step to reach this page is go to your Gmail and click on that S over here, or whatever name or symbol or image, whatever it's, and then you must go to your manage your Google account. This is the page you'd arrive when you click on your manage your Google account. And what you must do here is that you must go to security, and in security there will be option known as two-step verification, and in here you would have an option to add your authenticator. Okay, so this is the authenticator page. But once I go in, you'll be able to see see my secret passkey. So that is something which I would not prefer. So I would change the change the account for this video. It's a simple step, guys. All you need to do is that you must choose an account, and you must go into this two-step verification. Once you click this, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. And after signing in, all you would have to do is go back to the Google Authenticator which we were using, and then we must add a code. We would get a setup key, or if you are using in your laptop or some other application, you could just scan the QR code. You just scan the QR code will contain your setup key, and you could just set up your account. And the first step, what you need to confirm your setup is that you'll be asked to enter the two-factor authentication code, which it will be generated first in order to verify your signing up. And that's all. That's it, what you would have to do. So in this video I was unable to show you the live steps due to few reasons. I hope you would understand, but if you have any more doubts, you could just leave it in the comment section. I will try to post the real working video, I mean the real setup, if you guys would like. But I hope my explanation was clear and up to the point, so you not need a demonstration video. But if you still need it, you could just post it in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. Like I told before, it would be great if you could just click on subscribe button, and you could just leave a thumbs up button. Just click on thumbs up button. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Bye.